Filecoin holder, watch this video and be safe from lost. Filecoin is completely fails down. So what's the prediction? Can they wake up? Can the prices move upward or not? My friends, they fails down more and more. Absolutely, I will tell you. And also, what's my opinion? Sell, hold, or buy? I will tell you very information about this, my friends. So kindly don't skip any second of this video and try to understand what I talk you. So this time, if you can see my brother, before I get started the video, sorry, subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much everyone for subscribing our YouTube channel. So you can see my friends, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart, if we predicate, my friend, if we do a technical analysis, absolutely you understand, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward or not. So you can see, my brother, after a short fails, you can see after a short fails they take a jump, and after this jump you can see they're moving in this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So it's mean, my brother, at the end, if you can see here, their direction is going to be the arrows is going to be in the moon, my friends. It's mean to in upcoming times they will wake up and they go in the moon. Filecoin holder, congratulations at the end, my friends, they wake up and they go in the moon. Let's check out the latest update to my prediction. My technical analysis is going to be right or not. Yes, absolutely, my friends. You can see here at the end I'm going to show you today the arrows is going to move upward. So absolutely they will go in the moon, my brother. And after a very long time, my friends, if you can see, remember this is not a financial video, I just advise you. You can see after a very long time plus 3.95% they wake up, and the percentage, my friends, the 3%, my friends, 4%, it's mean totally the 4%, my friends, just in only in the 1 hour, my friends, the price profit, the price will be profit, my friends. So you need to hold. Absolutely, my prediction is going to be that, my friends, to in upcoming times they will move upward. So you need to hold and make a good profit, my friend, at the end of month. Especially hold it and sell it at the end of month. I hope, my friends, Filecoin is very good for short no for friends, especially for long term investor. But definitely at the end of month they also give you a very good profit. So you need to hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.